It's Christmas time, and it's that time of the year where you arrange your cookie tray in front of your Christmas tree for Santa. And what a better time to make the easiest cookie that I have. It's the spicy ginger cookie that I make. It's the easiest recipe you can have. It's very simple, and I hope you do make it. More in description on the recipe. Here you need 200 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. You could use salted butter, but I prefer unsalted butter. It's easily available now. The next, you need 200 grams of castor sugar. We're going to beat this till the butter and sugar are together and the butter is at a lighter consistency. I'm making this eggless, so I have 30 ml of milk here, which I'm adding in parts so that it's incorporated well. With the spice mix, I've added a quarter teaspoon of soda. I've mixed it well. I'm adding it to the butter so it mixes really well before we add in the flour, and it's incorporated well. Next is 400 grams of all-purpose flour. That's it. Your cookie dough is ready. It just needs to come together. I do not mix it too much in the stand mixer. I like to go in a little and just bring it together in the end with the stand mixer, so it's not an overworked cookie dough. Now we're going to chill it. It has to come together. Put it in a cling wrap and chill it. When I put it in the cling wrap, the cookie dough, I like to keep it flat, so once it's nicely rested for half an hour in the fridge, it comes out solid like this, flat. And we just use our cling wrap and our silicone mat below, so it's easy to roll out the cookies. You can see the dough is pretty firm, and I have to press it nicely to make sure that it rolls to a 5 mm thickness. When the cookie dough is chilled, it's easier to cut out shapes, and the shapes retain when they are baking as well. So once you have rolled out your cookie dough, you just need to cut out the cookie shapes, and you can easily remove this. The silicone mat helps in easy removal of the cookie. And these cookies, you can use any shape. They can be any large shape that you want. We need to put this in the fridge again so that they are firm. In the fridge for at least 30 minutes, and from the fridge I directly like to take it towards the oven. It has to bake in its shape. I don't want it to lose its shape, so I like to keep it really cold. The cookies are baked and out of the oven. They smell divine. But I want to share something with you. I found a note on the table for me, to Gayatri the baker. That's me. And it reads, "Dear Gayatri, where are our cookies? We are waiting. Hugs and kisses. Santa's helpers." Okay, that means only one thing. We better hurry and decorate these now. So let's get on to decoration. I have 450 grams of icing sugar and 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm not going to use all of it, but little at a time till I get a drip consistency. You could use milk instead of lemon juice, but I'm just keeping it simple. I like a little tanginess. I'm just making sure that there are no bumps or hard lumps in the glaze. I just take the cookie. I like to dip it in. I love to do this even with the kids. It's a lot of fun. It's an easy way to decorate your cookie, not too complex. Once you drip out the excess cookie, you can take it to the edge of your bowl and just remove the excess with the help of the edge of the bowl. So you just have to shake your cookie, and you can see I'm doing it on both sides, up and down. If there are any bubbles, you can pop it. It gets a great glaze on the cookie. This is an easy recipe. Different shapes just makes it simpler. No hard recipe. This is easy to do. Just remember, excess glaze on your cookie, just take it to the edge of the bowl and remove it. I've colored the same glaze green, and I'm just making a little bit of tree-like look for the Christmas tree. I'm making sure it's not too much of color. Again, very easy to do with the kids. This is a recipe that I have had a lot of fun with my son. Even when he was 3 years old, it was easy to do this. So you can definitely enjoy. No extra tools required. Just have fun with it. After you have done any type of colored glaze that you have, you can add these sort of pearl decoration on it, and that's it. You're ready with your Christmas cookies, and they look beautiful. And here we have our Santa's helpers getting their cookie fix. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas in advance. I hope you do try these cookies. Do like, follow, and share.